In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to audio to a single slide in Canva. If you want music or a sound effect to play on just one slide without spilling over to the next, the key is to make sure the audio fits exactly within that slide's duration. Let's walk through it clearly and simply. Open your design and click the slide you're working on. Look at the top toolbar to find the slide duration. You'll see a small time indicator. For example, it might show 10 seconds. That number is important because any audio you add needs to start and end within that same time frame if you want it to stay on a single slide. Now, move to the left-hand panel and select Audio. Pick the track or sound you want, then drag it into the timeline area beneath the canvas, the section that shows your pages or layers. You'll see an audio layer appear for the slide you're on. If the audio is longer than the slide, it will extend past the end of the slide and into the next one. That's the behavior we're trying to avoid. You have two clean options. First, adjust the slide duration to match the audio length. Click the duration control in the top toolbar and set the time so it equals the exact portion of audio you want to use. If your clip is 10 seconds and your slide was only 5, set the slide to 10. This keeps the track fully contained within that one slide, and you won't see any overlap on the following slide. Your second option is to shorten the audio to match the current slide duration. Click the audio layer so you can see the left and right handles. Drag the right handle inward to trim the end of the clip, or the left handle to trim the beginning. As you drag, watch the slide boundary in the timeline. Your goal is for the audio layer to start and finish within that single slide's start and end points. Trimming this way doesn't change the original file in your library. It just shortens the portion used on the slide. If you're aiming for a smooth result, try to stop the audio at a natural pause or beat. Make small adjustments until the end of the clip sits neatly before the slide's edge. When you're done, the audio should appear only under that one slide in the timeline, with no extra tail continuing forward. That's all you need. Either match the slide to the audio, or match the audio to the slide. With that in place, your sound will live on a single slide exactly as intended.